Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. Today's video I will be unboxing the CoolWallet S and getting it set up and just doing a quick video overview on how to get it working, and that's about it. So let's open it up. Now I got this one off of Amazon. They do sell there. So this works with a mobile app. They work hand in hand with the mobile app. Okay. And there's this little seal here. So let's get the knife out and break that seal. There we go. Oh, here it is. So a little sign. So this one wasn't exactly packed well, so it's not aligned, but that's okay. So this is the wallet. Rubber sticker. I'll just put this all aside. USB cable. Standard micro USB. And this must be the charging or docking station. So let's put this aside here. There's a little protective film on here. And a little recovery card for you to put your recovery words. And the card itself, so let's peel off here. On one side and the other. So this is pretty much it. This here, for the USB. And just to make sure, let's open the box. That's it. So no instructions or anything, because it is expected for you to download their app. So let me get that going and then I'll be right back. Okay, to use this app, to this wallet, you'll first need to download the CoolBitX crypto app on your mobile device, and I got it over here. You can see. So I got it downloaded, so I'm gonna click it open. And you can see here it says this app requires a cold storage card. For more information, please visit coolwallet.io. And there's this Bluetooth here. So I'm gonna turn on the CoolWallet by hitting this button here, and it says please pair, and then you're gonna see here this changed, and we're gonna see there's this number here. I guess is an identifier, so you're gonna pair with this wallet. Click connect, and over here this is going to be the pairing code for the wallet. I'm going to type it in. And hit pair. It says press the button on the card. So this is the button. So let's press it. says paired. And now we can go back to the app, and I'm going to create a new wallet. So you have two options to generate a wallet seed, either by the card or the app. I'm going to select by card. And over here you can select either 12 word length, 18 or 24. For this example, whoops, I'm going to select 12. And I'm going to hit, actually we'll do it in the middle, 18, hit generate. And numbers will show up on your CoolWallet one by one. Press the button on the card to switch to the next. The seed is randomly generated, and CoolBitX does not keep any copy of it. Please note the seed is essential for future recovery. Make sure you write down all the numbers on the recovery card included in the box. So I'm going to tap write down and verify. So over here, we're going to go through the process of take your seed numbers and add them up, input the sum below. So this is just to double check. So I'm going to, over here, this is the seed numbers, and it's going to go through it one by one. I am going to get that written down. So the first one we have is 30097. Okay, so I got all the seed numbers, and over here it says to take your seed numbers and add them up, input the sum below. So let me add them all up real quick, and then input the sum and tap on verify. And you can see it says here creating. So it looks like I got it correct. It's creating. You can see there's a little battery indicator. Over here you can see the Bluetooth and the Bitcoin icon. Okay, so once it's done, while it's done initializing, you'll see this. And over here, your assets in a dollar value. Bitcoin, this is your address. Tap here, you can edit the label if you want to give it a name or something. Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash. I guess these are the defaults. Tap receive. So this is the Bitcoin receive address. Tap over here, you can change it to Ethereum, Litecoin, and so forth. Send, but there's nothing in here right now. So just type there. Exchange. So yeah, Shapeshift is on board, but when I know Shapeshift is changing their model, so they have to register. So let's see if this feature continues to stay in this app. History, and then settings over here. So show full address. So switch on. There we go. Hello. And telling it to show the full address. I am not sure what that means or what it does. Okay, card firmware update. Connected. So firmware is up to date. So remove account, or we're not going to do that. You can change the I guess you can't change. Oh, here you can have other options to add tokens. I guess these are what's available. guess, yeah, wait, oh yeah, when you hit currency, yeah, nothing happens. So I guess it's stuck on USD. Let's go back to wallet. But I guess that is pretty much it. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I'm going to play around with it some more, and then I'm going to reset it and then do it all over again, because as you know, you should not share your seed words or any other information about your wallet. But that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching.